years, we let manufacturing of these semiconductors get overseas. And as we saw during the pandemic, when the factories overseas that make these chips shut down, the global economy comes to a screeching halt, driving up costs for families in a big way. You know, a third of the core inflation last year in America was due to the high price of automobiles, which was driven by the shortage of semiconductors. For the sake of our economy and jobs and cost and our national security, we have to make these semiconductors in America once again.